Okay, here we have Willow's litter and Pixie from Camo's litter. We actually have sun today. I don't know how many days it's been raining and nights. We've gotten so much rain we're drowning. Haven't seen the sun in a long time. My brother out in Salt Lake City, they've got a tremendous drought out there and they're just crying for rain. Wish we could send it over there. Okay. So on the left of the sock that they're pulling is Willow's male. Colin and Teresa. Here you go. Your little sister was getting the best of you, dude. They love socks. These are old Holy socks. I just tie in a knot. They like those just as much or maybe better than other toys, but being beagles, they probably won't be able to play with these when they get a little older because they'll start swallowing parts of them as they tear them apart. So please be aware of that. Kong toys. The beagles, that's about it. Okay. Pixie's on this end. Here are the two females. This little one is the equivalent of Pixie in her litter. Pixie's tiny compared to the rest of them. But the one difference is she's always been well filled out, had plenty to eat. Of course, there were only 3 in her litter. But Pixie really had to fight for hers. And we fed her alone with her mama a lot of times. There's Pixie on the right. On the left, that's Willow's little one. Willow's a small beagle herself. Come back here! Come on! Come on back! That's a girl! Good girl! And she has bark from the tree. I'm going to have to take away from her because a lot of plants, etc., are poisonous to dogs. I'm not sure about bark from a maple tree. Probably isn't, but we'll check it out. Okay. Over here we have, oh, just in time, huh? Move my camera up a little bit. This is the other female from Willow. Can't even give you some privacy, huh? But she's still, so I can get a good picture of her face for you. Good video of her face, excuse me. Whoa! And she's off. On the left. Ooh, winner. That was sly, Pixie. Oh, she'd rather have bark anyway. Randy, would you take this bark away from her? please. She sees you coming. Thank you. Hey, whoa! Oh. Ooh. You guys are thieves, literally. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some extra video of Pixie, just because I can. There's the two sisters. Show them first. Okay, where'd my Pixie go? Clear over there. Where's Pixie? There she is. We're going to go visit Kelly, our 17-year-old beagle. He doesn't really appreciate this, I'm sure. Come on, Pixie! Come on! Yes, I'm talking to you.
I don't know what it is.
They get the real dark color from their dad, who she looks exactly like. Mostly black coat with really showy white boots, white chest, and of course white tip on the tail. And so that tail's the only thing we can see. I guess I'll end this.